2.4G wireless control. 2.4G wireless technology enables long-distance transmission, adding more flexibility to your shooting. 5 groups with 32 channels each help to prevent disturbance when several wireless systems working together. Complete accessories options. Extreme close-up positioning adapter. Features a specially designed slope structure that helps to illuminate inwards and light up the narrow space right before the lens, whereas otherwise too close to be focused. Especially suitable for shooting extreme close-up subjects. Flexibility Helps Perection. Featuring precise control, the multi-flash solution isavailable to work as a ring flash but far more than that. Instead of illuminating forward only, every flash can rotate to a different angle freely and slide around the mounting ring for correct positioning. Whether to fine-tuning the light effect or to create another light style, MF12 will help to experiment effortlessly until reaching the best effect you need. Multi-flash setup for broader usage. Working as a multiple flash solution when attaching to the mounting ring, MF12 expands its usage profoundly than the single unit. The combination can handle various scenarios easily depending on the number of flashes and the way you set up. Starting with a few lights, the combination is bright enough to make up for the ever-changing natural light, while not overshine to be obtrusive for small animals or insects. The power behind the scene. The small flash unit mounted on the stand is exactly what a macro photographer needs. Adjustable head for quick positioning, even extreme close-up range is within its reach. Compact size results in invisibility, lighting up the object while hiding itself away easily from the frame. Top reviews from the United States. The overall build quality of this macro flash set is amazing. It comes with a nice pouch and almost everything you need to get the job done, including adapter rings from size 49mm to 77mm. The flash can be mounted on a clamp and onto the macro ring that can be adjusted to different angles, or it can be mounted on a flash stand and horseshoe using the accessories it comes with. The color effect, temperature strips and diffuser are also included. The flashes use the internal built-in lithium batteries that charges fast using Type-C charging cable. The output is stunning. We are extremely satisfied with the purchase.